because nipam you know more jubilee no back will not finish.
The president and vice no
back on 4 years and to back on to me. Hey papa.
Yes, say dear Nyamia Sumano no or Kenya Miagin or Kanda Yameso Edia Shadano. Abusia Apostle France Amoako Atta as about one trading in Comshay was said the Biabuno album crowd a snookery. Wabetri near me better to a real singing now 2025 you me. America President Bonibia is old dear on council a diba. Because of that, a bit more causing we are singing a world war. I be me singing a crown in him. Just wabetri even Easter dear in Mukran, wabetri. So be better for we are say any yare who be we are 2025 yimu Easter ye wura me in fact wa be kire no we was be kire mu say Mahama Jane Naana Ghana vice president oyale o paper pack name mom Mahama any Jane no boku agimai 4 years ye de baako entwa ensi hwan na entwa ensi ayi Penyah block media mesra say any day mo obe like video no down we subscribe to some click notification icon for latest update na ba kire wa adwe de ba me e wo comment better so ba so no a share video so enya bi ahwe any day ma e ya like e fama me na entimi engo viral e to be ka to no fa ba to na iko mu no across the globe as of for jilom din come share e ba ye concern elections any be see after the election no ontimi nya positive from Amoako Atta in free mu because o shen come say Trump e be we ne akonwa no one touch Trump e we ne ye October mu enoka say Ghana NDC ne be we ne ama NDC we ne a early 2025 na your vice president ebe yale am yede ne be ko amono na akohwe ne are ne mom no okwa yede ne be ba chese do kan bia no ebem te exactly 5th January ana Francis Amoako Atta ebe ka say Trump in USA the Americans will rise against him. There will be a whole lot of demonstrations against him. Menu nyina di ho dan say dan commission abem since Trump etna konya so 21st January 2025 ebusia demonstration is American ABC bebiada. It was Enra Apostle France Amoako Atta ekopiem Angel TV. Na ho no eno ko chirimu 2025 ewumi no eni me basis we say even Easter kra ebe komo no enema atoranchem ni nsuo ne esen a ebe twa fa wiase nyina so o chirimu
onfo so nya wo homfa so sa se de omunya ne da bia no na de nyame de wo ba se wo de obeye no wonyem kra ma ne ntra amai.
Amen. Amen. What a prayer. I receive it.
Amen.
You were prophetic after Ramadan. And also a bumpire. And I receive it. Yeah. I ain't here for you now. And everybody say, I natural birthday. Not Terminator. Terminator 1. So, Mammy Doctors and so. A birthday, yeah, and nipam and in from you know, a birthday, for more than a power from you on birthday, and then you're dacket one. Cry, but determinate about you, they will show happy birthday and the answer of Mammy. What's now waiting a womb pie, because when I already know a bump punimpu, and then we are prepared for a suffer apostle Anjanum Boatin's birthday, that is 14th Monday, until start here. Oh yeah, to me, my can hold Thursday and a Friday. In a minute, no, enough years, but Monday.
Right.
Yeah, boom, and no, at the birthday, no, come. Oh yeah, before Easter. To no, the birthday, no, I would Easter Mantinum. Mantino, and easy. Obama, so I'm back in the, I won't hear me, pa.
Okay.
I will say, we'll start to look at assembly, we have make impact around Ghana and the whole world, and it's very important. Yes. My word is my signature. Now that one, for that one, I'm not afraid because assembly I'm ready no can. Upa jidi upa jai because I'm afraid me no nyina ho. Odi fam dem eba je no. And I know say me can so. Me nim say me can be me can so emba mu da. Now Obama me betena can assembly wo me am president. This is who can as because no why am it. I know I don't know.
Drum the drum. Power. Who can so obey you so power no.
Because he's going to abuse the power.
Yes.
And there was going to be a serious demonstration against him.
Here's
here's how the world is currently reacting to Trump's tariffs.
Tens of thousands of people have marched in dozens of US cities.
Hundreds of thousands of Americans.
From Americans will be so agitated.
There's growing public anger at Trump's policies.
Americans will be so agitated. From Brazil this time, I didn't know your friends here.
Hands-off rallies have been held in all 50 states.
These things do have a way of taking off and sort of snowballing into larger events that rocked the United States across the country in many different sort of settings and contexts.
When there's so much hatred and demonstration.
Huge protests erupted not just in America, but worldwide. In fact, in the US this weekend alone, we saw the largest single day of demonstrations against Trump since he returned to the White House, with an estimated 1,200 protests in all 50 states. More anti-Trump protests were held in other parts of the world too, including Paris, Berlin, and London.
And there will be so much demonstration against the man. Now, he is going to abuse power.
I mean, the things that he's doing is not trying to make America better. He's ruining our infrastructure, every department.
The UK's Prime Minister, Keir Starmer, reacted by making a bombshell statement. He said, "The world as we knew it has gone. Trump has done something that we don't agree with."
Hands off! Hands off! Our research! Our research!
Americans will be so agitated. There will be so much demonstration against the man. The man, me can cry. Yes, when he in 20th.
From 5th January.
From 5th January.
And 19th, so I can't.
And 19th, so I can't. As I had 20th. And within a year, that might happen. The man is abusing power.
Now demonstration, we are there now. We say global demonstration because I know a Ghana crown penny focus here, U.S. ambassador. But say near my you know. Obia ye demonstration here.
Obia, the man said Genesis. You can say Nensa ebetia ubia no obia said this man is going to fight against everybody, and everybody is going to fight against him. Sure. Now, and he said, I prophesy as well, I keep on prophesying. I said, this man is coming.
Yes.
Now, Obayana Odifo, so for people say he is the trumpeter to the end of the world. That is total wrong. Trump is not the trumpeter to the end of this world. Trump is the trumpeter to the end of peace in the
end
world.
of peace.
He's a trumpet. A sound is a asumji we asno end. So my hande papa we ya. And the DNA say we must dance to his music.
Okay.
Wow. Oh yeah.
And it's the end to me.
Then so no problem no one. Now when him there koso. The entire medical me boem na be person medical atwa me Amoako Atta.
Yes sir.
From Amoako Atta. Adie bia Obama asipen will come back again. Begin from 4th April. Now, no be nim say 14th 1914 we are seeing Abeko. There will be a first world war and 18 million were massacred. We are saying say can then say nipa 18 million that God never promised. 1939 another war broke out. A nipa 75 million around the world were killed. And United Nations aba said the Second World War 1 man. Obama me say one man and your influence when a country a fair nipa nyina adwene let's make Germany great. Na Germany any we are seeing now so na onya nkrofo support to no to the stance if you tune and see one people so na fe or starting so ku we are seeing what is the purpose of the war? Anna Hitler he want to rule the whole world.
Yes.
And was it not the purpose? And this is the man who has come in this season. He want to be a leader.
Boss of the world.
The boss of the whole world.
The same thing as Hitler.
The same thing as Hitler. Na eko odifo. Na eko. na eko wom na jatom and we are started now so when you are Obama what do one saka we are market pa wa mo bia bu afu
obia no aduane ho
because obia no aduane ado nsa e ka no dem kana what I say now we are seeing na aye word na say who tasi we are say Ghana ya yode ya in banche ne board dia na kontomiri
dia ne kraba wo mam
dia ne enwe ne mkrado kuni ne ya bayire ya di be so ya nyomobo Kukudu yatu yaso. This is the man is after everybody and everybody will go after him. Now systematically.
Yes.
The whole thing started 4th April Jerry until 1933. We are people second, third World War is coming. And this is the catalyst begin from 4th April. Sure. Amoako Atta. To 1933. Nami nguya ebi anu mabako kura nam ti odi ba de 2033 beginning from 4th April 2025 it's a catalyst. It will move on. Now niema miansa have been determined on Europe or more Europe on either you prepare to be safe or you be better. Well, because niema miansa ni kan aye flag misuro Jerry misuro from a neya ko afi eastern su better misuro around the whole world and in su better or more ti Europe or more central Europe misuro mawom. And that's all better for one because Nyame and your madam Odifo there will be a flood and Nyame from 3 to 1 week no more light. There will be a place that there will be no light.
Central Europe.
When I make a joke, they should prepare to see. And no dancing. Woman here, woman so now Europe will draw into Russia, Ukraine while woman away for a season. And also be more Europe watch one papa. Because I feel and I'm talking more by yet. Is there? Oh yeah, Zelensky are careful. No, you're not going to say we move piano or bombo like Moscow. Adia put in the bayano. I know by and now Zelensky life is in danger. When you're careful, he'll be assassinated. And the Putin life is in danger. So this people they don't know that they are fighting to die.
They don't know.
It is said here, a Hitler here, send a Putin by ya. Now he want to die as a president. When you so see for my and so be see I bet you Jojo, no dear. They said the 30 year says your match and yen can ye, me who could I mepe. Them can watch it. And yeah, a best Ukraine, Russia, Ukraine war, no, a womb, and America, Iran. Into a year banner so another womb.
Okay.
Them can matter. Another womb. Another womb. Eba. A BSA. You see a bit member.
Sasa Second World War. Yeah. We kakre free ha. Na kakre free ha.
No we free ha.
We are saying that.
No we must support to we. No we must support to we. No we must support to we. No we must. Second World War. A free Europe, America, and the stop we. Nyamia nyadwa this day be free America. Now what we be free so no. Nani ebisiasi na papa ebe under this man presidency me nyesho say we has to be the same again baby ya enter say you pay for no tie the America now your friend identity Obama say friend say
identity
every country must build your own asema wo kan ne because na Friday in can say to us this is the teaching I want see a bomani wura nipa ni nyina adwinim. The judge push me here, push me propaganda phone. Them kind of what yes. Said you see, we have entered into nothing but identity. Ukro ne dan. We are here for. Then bet to me now we are can be uncle Kurum. Uko Grama Quere. On your question, so we are a bunny, Yamia Bunny, we a Yam Ganamati. I know you're not going to be it's identity. It's identity. Dear no country, but to me, I hear a Temedia bomb on Croft. Saturday, who is Obi Uncle Krum. Yam gonna want say Obi Uncle Kruma and Kayanko who used to Bethlehem. Our ye David Yassini. Now Obi Uncle Krum. Kwana ko boa wo country.
And one has somebody.
No country nya den. No country building economy. Them can what and if make America great again. Ghana it go then. Can't you make our Ghana great again? And Obama meboa. 1960 kwada no mo yema. Can't you do it again? And then kwada ti kwada nyina ati toy ho ehwe akwada bi akura ehwe Ghana a book game. Here for no ye. China kwada no get bre kwada no. Yam pay for what are they doing? Identity. Now we have come into
Papa say Kele technical and vocational schools.
That is the
promoting science and maths.
That is the Western Ghana and West Africa is doing. The West. The Ubesia Ghana ni Nigeria ni no shake go to Kuntaya can you see science no more can cry na bufu. Na na ya metan.
Brofobia be papa so.
Brofobia ba so ka preba na ni boto.
Onya we.
Jani mi see na ni boto. Preba and then Brofo akase with empty pocket
and efe
Brofo akase and ye kwanya befa so ye betumi develop o mana mo mana tumi agina ama ya boy mbra adofo no mai ya we are raising a generation yam kokura bremo no na just say they will say let's go back to the slavery. Let's go back because but everything is here.
Everything is here.
Now before Easter, you don't person me warn you be. Adie bi esi obusu mpen. Ope umpe it will come back. Ya die bi awan ya ne pen. Ope umpe it will come back. Last week Sunday and I'm kind of say a ma or my menstruate this month. A ma besa menstruated twice. Cause I mean no obi menstruate 3 days now start. I didn't hear. Or baby, I bet you say, be better to be. It means when you're fiber or the pen, and you can. So one man's to be my fiber on the 50. I'm telling you. And to say, I made the one. Young girl, what I say. One man said to you, no, I resetting your system to push that bladder and come out. Them can what I say.
Yes.
And the free baby Porter Portar. Porter. Yes, I again. Portar. Porter. Tal. Porter. But who call Revelation your friend seal?
Okay.
Now, that's seal. Revelation.
Okay, Revelation chapter 6, the verse number 7 and 8. What's now what say and so no a tosso and 9 no. Let us say what has a 4 tosso 9 no say bra. Na me hunu na she upon console so be
so pale. The word pale means green.
Okay. Na the oteno so ni din di owu na asamando edi nachi. Na wo ma no asase ebupen na mu ba ko so tumi say onfa afna ene ekom ene owu ene asase so mo enkunkum
nti all the best nyamieni na matia me na okasa I Ghana I mean to mention bian a country bia baby ade ni pie owu bofo asase no so se bohom na de na pie it's like wow no ade apie ni wow before Easter before Passover none ye answer ye pananese umbekum Jesus do we na say yesu dwane o tie me no so pa dwane na je okra nkwa this is God has the master very God has given me a very burden na all night me all night
tawade
person be ada home Bible so na once dia ka bia e so de ye adwuma okay. About the mega match, they can also hear them. That's what the year, Juma. That's what the year, Juma. The American match, that's what the year, Juma. Because as long as a Quran chapter 13, verse 11, go unless you have yourself.
You have yourself.
Yeah, a dear nipa ye, or Yame Mayan and net or China the check out. Until no bo nipano, nipa wow. And maybe and God spoke to me and said, as my prophet, I saw me so me ages that I'm tired. I see for Trump to it's a me face. Oh, the good time to run town. Now, you be something also other. Such as a wood you baby, I see Nippon, your papa, one of your namf. And I'm saying the entire said, me when you room. And Nippon is Suban and your banner. I'm there and they can yache. Meka yache. Nipa, me send me to him so any. I call we one yet. And sumi ntumi njano dia mka no ati ase katechi se ni subanje no so metene so
se bre no
no se bre no okay ya captain smart ni subanje se metene so
dia do ba se be ye no
dem de ba se be no because as me fiama o se bre bem dia mka no enipa bi se wo mo board una wo ye sports Obama o mo board wo hie obi na wapira Penyah aka chia ni se mema Amoako Atta me se efi somebody ya kopem se me be kona wiye or go park so you careful and yes pira will pira ye no will come back and pira again. Anything that has happened to you is coming back. And that is why you and each and everybody near ya de be we and he said jari onipa bi a wona na atwe mpena pen na mpena na no odene na montemu ati nkofhwe no because musia
Jerry, I said, we do be a fan of dream raha. Pacho,
and you repeat, anything will repeat itself. So, I shall one, no one so much impena than the Munya and Cambewari. Na, Bibinti.
To be Obi and Reno,
just why intention of a cancer. And yes, I will never want to Janasa.
Okay, come back so I shall bring up a park and block on
because we are then the BBC now Sunday. The entire year all night is Palm Sunday. No be old team in 10 years. Team edu baby a unto me munyame. Sunday we say oh yeah Palm Sunday are gone and the days are the blast man na ye. Sunday we friend no nipa who person who ye Christian who celebrate Palm Sunday one share all black. I am warning you. You gonna what the color is either red, white or any other year or purple. Any color but not full black, not full black for this Palm Sunday. Now all night the code of Sunday Palm Sunday. And what you man here call the purpose of this all night is saneme. You see a friend saying saneme. You see a friend saying saneme. Friday, you be fasting. Who break so kuku na abedi. Tem you be break bia. Who break and upper 6 and upper 6 kura. Ubedi kuku. I train kwesi anajo. The best start at 10. I'm telling you, all the way to 4. Now, where your best until onipa bi team was Sunday. Sunday I will not right. No. Yeah. See what Bekasa. Now from 12 na monfa, bomma TV life. Now crofobia more find a way. Entimi na no munja no mompai in order so mon consul na ogie be your modia but dofo baby a wo bia odoko official town da kuma official town ho na ye all night no wo ba fa anchene abuba maako 9 enchene abuba maako short maako 9 unim say ade a Yesu e di defeat Judas e enchene Adia Yesu, odi from so defeated Judas according to John chapter 13.
Sure.
Okay, can bring tea. Okay, can o Yesu mama ye nchine nsuo. Odi brodo bom odi man pe. No ka jansa na ye wo ye no. Ye ntem because you are defeated. Wan nchine maako 9 abeba no. Na fabra. Nyamana me to ama nton nchine. Ubaso wunya bi. Wan kasa fa bi bra.
Yes.
Tichiri maako mfagu enveripum. Na fabra Friday. Na deliverance anu odene me frame maso fo nyina mo ma be ka me ho o ba we your ba sesi ho enya life because ye de ensa be ka obi a ye be bompa ya mo obi wi anam so magina onam so ya bompa ya ma we are going to pray for ourselves by ourselves through us any de ensa kan ho na ye sane ye ho Palm Sunday code ye sane me There's a Palm Sunday code ya dey
saneme.
Palm Sunday ni code ya dey saneme. Enti baby a wo bia for di kire odoko official town, Dakuman official town, and your life will never be the same. Don't forget my culture. Say you will flashback. You will history will repeat itself. Ya dey bia ayo pen, ya dey bia ato pen. Sister, pray against it. And yes sir, we be shiane back. Na my culture that. Everybody show my way so.
Amen.
Na ninkase wan ninkase ba wiwe eno be chiri mi se general boko adma Ghana vice president oya leader wodi ninkase won kom October say ma no ba yare ye de be kwa ma ne ba obesa ba fie na mum no Mahama eni general boko adjumai 4 years edi anu de ba ko entwa nwe jese ba ko resign
Rani tuna ni mchira Mr. Mpaibo at my advice.
Jesus.
I said, what do you for? And your 4 months ago, and I'm kind of October, and I'm kind of by Aram yet, and I'll go outside again. Man, come out
October.
October.
What?
October 2, 4 months ago. That's what I said. And now the American.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, almost a good man can so beba.
Beba. Sanaka.
Man can so beba.
Oh yes.
Bad you're born with man can so beba.
Beba.
The bad beba. Now Obama ne finishing. Bad ye. Obeba.
Yes.
And finishing. Because nipam you know more jubili no. Back will not finish. Hey, true. So who?
The president and vice, no.
Back on 4 years and two. Back on to me. Hey, Papa. From Amoako Atta. Until you have back on resign.
Back on finishing the term.
And you back on resign.
Okay.
Maybe they are to from Amoako Atta.
Your word is your signature.
And my voice is my guarantee. Go October I'm guy.
Oh yeah.
The kayak I said the never go outside. And that's what happened. In the way. Onyamia we Jesus. On finance and kaya mameno.
Amen.
Psalm 107 verse 20. Bible says he sent forth his word.
Sure.
And his word healed them. And his word delivered them. Oje enye maamene dia.
Amen.
Ahwodene enye ne dia.
Amen.
Enkwa enye ne dia.
Amen.
Onyame a odene koye no. Onsan fa ne mbra.
Amen.
Yimpa ye medima oba bia. Yimpa ye dema oman. Onyame a oye odomfo no ye nipati pagafo. Onte ne tumi nsa no ma na ho odensa. No ma ne nsa nche ne nsa nye kese. Oba bia ohia ba.
Jesus.
This is your month.
Amen.
Onyame be mo anyensan. Na onyame be mo wawo. Nti bo modi ehia Friday. Eye mompa ye mfa ma. Ewurade samra ne man so. The president is showing Yamensa. Already under his leadership. Ma onya a better legacy. A better legacy. A better legacy. Or hinibia, ni petit rubia. Uni pebia or yen ni family dairy bread. Already more home by man.
So when is someone a positive from Amoako Atta, I have a room from Memo. A bit for Ghana, a bit for yourself for any now. In fact, in conscience there. A mupi pa, a mupi. Chirawa your family ever comment. What is your view and what is your take on that? If you are gently, a good comment section. I have Penyah Blog Media. Accra.